sweet beauties, and welcome back. I hope you're having a wonderful day. So I'm literally just showing you all of the goodies that I bought from Makartt EU. It took a couple of days to get to me. I bought the Life of Rose kit and then the Hooked on Love bundle. I also used my code, so I got some money off. And then I asked on Instagram what kit you'd like to see first, which one you wanted to see first, and the majority of you did pick Life of Rose, so we are going to be looking at the Life of Rose kit today. So the reason I bought the Hooked on Love bundle is because Valentine's is coming up and there is some beautiful like unique things in that kit that we will do a video on next week now. But this kit just screamed Valentine's to me, and I thought I cannot get that Hooked on Love kit without getting this kit as well. So yeah, I was like, I have to. So anyway, I'm just showing you what comes in this little package. So you get some jewel forms, you get straight and curved, you get your little thank you note and your little instruction booklet, a 100 to 180 grit file, your brush, picker, javelin, spatula, spear, and I call it so many different things at this point that it can be anything but it's a polygel brush. You get a top and a base coat, and then you get 4 different coloured polygels. The reason I held off for before wanting to buy this for so long is because I felt like all the colours were very similar to other colours that we've had in previous kits, and I was do you know what I mean? But looking at them, there is a difference in all of them. They are very similar to some of the colours, like that red and the I think this one's called Bud, and it's like a neon pink. It reminded me a little bit of the neon pinks in the pink kit. And then I think the red one is called Hip, and it reminded me of the red from the rainbow kit that Makartt released like what feels like forever ago. So yeah, but I do show you all the swatches so you can see. The bottles, they look very orange, burnt orangey brown on the camera, but they are a little redder in colour. So yeah, so we have, gosh, I've forgotten the names of them already. Bud, Bloom, Hip, and Wilted. This Wilted is a lovely colour, and I can't wait to use it in a different set. But this palette here, this colour palette, is absolutely stunning. You get a nude, and you also get like a different variety of different Valentine's Day colours. I also bought these the other week on Amazon, and it's different hollow hearts. You got hollowed hearts, you got hollowed lips, you got a mixture of hearts and hollow and matte hollow here, and then you've got some like hearts with like the actual middle cut out and they're hollow as well. I thought I don't have many like Valentine's Day decorations, I gotta be honest, because I'm not a big like celebrator of Valentine's Day. Like, if you love a partner, I feel like you should show them that every day, not just one day a year. It's nice, to be appreciated, but you should feel appreciated every day of the year. Do you know what I mean? So like to me, like hearts and like Valentine, I'm gonna do loads of Valentine's Day sets. I've got a good couple of ideas in my head. But yeah, I was like, I don't have any love, like romantic heart sort of themed decoration, and I was like, okay, I need to get some. So I am using jewel forms today because I don't know, I'm just really liking the jewel forms again. I think those long jewel forms really did give me like that tingly feeling, you know, the ones that I used in my last video with the Emily Susanna kit. And by the way, I really am grateful for all of you guys saying happy birthday to me, and in that comment section, and Emily even commented herself, and I fangirled. I gotta be honest, I was so chuffed. She shared my post on Instagram, and yeah, so thank you so much for the love on that video, guys. Well, for all the love on every video I get, but thank you so much for all my birthday messages as well. It was my birthday yesterday. I was meant to upload yesterday. It's Saturday yesterday, but obviously it's Sunday today. I was meant to upload yesterday, but I don't know, the day got away with me, and I thought, no, I'll spend it with my family. I can get a video up on Sunday or Monday, it's fine. And I thought, I sat down after my kids went to bed on Saturday after my birthday, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to do a set of nails because I want to sit down and I want to do some nails. So that's what I done. So I am showing you some prep here. My cuticle is like disgusting. I'm so sorry about my cuticles, guys. I get those thick cuticles, you know, and They're fine once I've like moisturized them, but lately I always say this in all my videos, my skin gets so dry because of all the hand washing and the hand sanitizer and like being a mum in general, cleaning and washing my hands anyway, and plus with everything that's going on and my kids, I feel like my hands just live in soap and water at the moment, and they're so dry, and I always forget to moisturize, and I'm so bad for picking my skin. Oh, I'm terrible. So anyway, going back to the nails because yeah. So anyway, what I've shown you all the stuff that comes in the kit, and now I'm just showing you how to prep your nails. So you'd push back your cuticle, you would scrape away any of the dust and dead skin. You can use an e-file if you wish to, you don't have to. I didn't, but you can. Then you would go in with your buffing block or your gosh, what's called an nail file, the 180 grit side. Take the shine away, apply some dehydrator and some primer, of course, after you've cleaned up the dust. Make sure there's no dust on your fingernails, I should say. You're doing more than one nail. And then go in with the base coat and cure for 60 seconds. I went in with a peel off base coat, but if you want your nails to last, go in with a normal gel base coat. Cure for 60 seconds, then you're ready to go. I will leave another video in the cards of me explaining like a prep better, because I kind of rushed through that one. So my thumbnail, I done a video for TikTok, and yeah, because I do that now. I'm 29 now, guys, and I'm on TikTok. I'm cool. I feel like I should do like a shades flip down my face. I can't, because I wear glasses. Is it still cool if I do like a nerd? Like, you probably guys don't even know what I'm on about. Okay, anyway, so I've just done a full nail of that red colour onto my pinky, and now I'm just putting in some of the Gershon clear into the jewel form here, and then I'm just pressing in some of those beautiful mixtures of hearts that you can see there. I really thought that little corner that you can see up in the corner of the video there, that corner of hearts with the pinks and the whites and the not silver, reds. I just thought it was a perfect colour to go with this kit, and I was right, it is. So I just put some clear down, stuck those hearts in, and now I'm going in with, I think it's called Bloom. It's the nude colour for the nail bed area, and I'm just pulling and patting it into place. You don't have to be perfect because the hearts do cover up most of the ombre, and then I would advise you to go in with a little bit more clear just to encapsulate those glitters. I didn't, because I had so much clear in there. I just kind of pushed them down, but and then I pushed it over, but like, make sure it's all capped. Don't be lazy like me. And then I just put it onto my finger, made sure that I'd cleaned up around the sides and the back, and then I cured in my nail lamp for 30 seconds before taking the jewel form off. But I took the jewel forms off at the very end, because I find with jewel forms the best time to take them off is after they've cooled down, like out of the lamp. Like, don't take them off straight away, let them cool first, because they are hot, and you want them to cool down a little bit, and they do come off a lot easier. So now I'm just going in with some more clear, and I'm just pressing some of those hearts in like a swirl down the nail, and then I go in with that Bloom nail bed. I keep calling it nail bed. It's a nude colour. And I just do the full, I just encapsulate with that completely. I did use a little bit much, so I do end up taking some off camera. I didn't realise until like after. But yeah, I took a little bit off. I should have left it in. I wasn't in frame though when I'd done it, and I didn't realise, and I thought, well, there's no point in trying to keep something in here. But I am showing you that I have put a little bit too much in. And as you can see, I'm trying to I'm taking bits out now, but you can't see it because I've gone off camera because I'm an idiot, as you can see. So yeah, just don't make them too thick. The idea with jewel forms is don't make them too thin and don't make them too thick. You want to just put in a nice amount, and you can always take polygel out, it doesn't have to stay in there. As you can see, there's still a lot in there, so I just clean up with my brush, and yeah, and just take it away there. It's easy to do. It just takes a trial and error. I'm still doing it, I'm still putting too much in, so honestly, you're fine. Don't panic, and you got to keep on trying and keep practicing, and you will get there in the end. But if you put too much in or not enough in, you might cause air bubbles or if there's too much product, it'll touch your skin and then the nails will pop off eventually. That's why you get lifting. So you should always clean up around your cuticle area and underneath to make sure that none of the product is sticking to your skin because of allergies, and also because it does cause lifting, so the nails will lift after a while. So the next nail then, and the final nail I guess, I do a marble, but I wasn't happy with the marble. I was happy with it on the one side, the side that I was patting it in, but that bit's going to be on my nail, so you're not going to see that bit. So I went in again and I just mixed it up a little bit more, and it kind of turned into like this smoky sort of effect. This is just the red and the bloom colour. I only used, I think it's, oh gosh, I can't remember what colours they are. I'll try and remember and pop on the screen if I do. By the way, you can get 15% off on Makartt's websites using my code SWALESNAILS. You get 15% off, so you guys can use it. I also have an affiliate link in the description box that you can use as well. You don't have to, of course, but it helps me out. I get a little commission back. So anyway, I'm just doing the same again. See, that one turned out really nice. I do like that, but there was a bubble or two in that nail. That's the only problem. So once they'd cooled down and I'd cured completely, I just popped them off. I wiped the sticky tacky layer away with some rubbing alcohol on a lint-free pad, and then I just shaped them with my nail file, just normal easy filing. The great thing about dual forms is you don't have to worry about creating an apex, because the apex is created for you by the dual form. But yeah, it's really simple, really easy. This kit is really nice to work with. I really enjoyed it. It didn't come with a clay, so I ended up using my Goshen clay, but the Goshen clay was like being really weird. I can't explain it. It was like breaking. I can't explain it. It felt like jam. And you know when you're trying to spread your jam and it's just like, no, I follow your knife. That's what it was doing. I think that's the best way I can explain it. But it was kind of annoying me, so I did swap out and use my Yogi clay in the end, because I couldn't find my Makartt clay. I rooted for it, I couldn't find it, and I was like, do you know what, it doesn't matter, I'll use a different clay. But yeah, I used my Yogi one then instead, because it was kind of getting on my nerves a little bit, that the Goshen one was being weird. I don't know if it's me, I don't know. I think a few people have had the same problem before. I think I've mentioned it before. But yeah, the Goshen clay was getting on my nails a little bit, but it's so super clear. So yeah. But anyway, like I said, I'm just filing here. And then once I'm done, I wipe away all the dust off of my nails with some rubbing alcohol and a lint-free pad, just buffing some scratches into the top so the top coat will stick. Then I applied some top coat and some cuticle oil, and then I thought, you know what, no, I want to put some decoration on my middle finger. So I got out my rhinestones and some of these little clay flowers that I got off of one of our subscribers, Louise Edwards. She sent me a bag of nail goodies ages and ages and ages ago, and I'm slowly like going through them and using them all. Like, I've gone through them and stuff, but yeah. And I'm very grateful because they actually worked wonders with this set. I was so happy that I had them. So I don't have the links for the clay flowers, but you could probably find them on AliExpress or eBay, probably even Amazon, if you just type in clay nail flowers. I don't know. I'll have a look and see what I can do. So I'm just using my Makartt rhinestone glue. Here are those little flowers that I was talking about. And I love this rhinestone glue because it's non-sticky, so once you put it, you can like top coat, put it on top of your nail, add your rhinestones, and then go. It's really easy and simple. It's not hard. It doesn't gather dust. And I'm just pushing in some flat flatback AB crystals, I can't speak tonight, into the corners here just to give it a bit more jazz. Cured, and then that was pretty much it, guys. So this is the end result. It's our first Valentine's Day set of 2021. I'm really happy with how they turned out, and this kit is really lovely to work with. It's lush. I love the colours. They're very bright and romantic to me. But yeah, I really enjoyed this set, and I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to keep on smiling and stay safe. I hope you're all having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world, and I will see you all in my next one, guys. And again, thank you so much for the birthday messages. You guys are absolutely amazing. But I'll see you all soon. Bye! This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.